starting to get worried about you.
Sorry I'm late.
Oh, that's all right.
Hey, what happened to your head?
It's okay, it's just a scratch.
It's all bloody.
Can I ask you something?
Yeah, sure.
What if you were walking in the woods
It's not deep.
and you found a bag full of money? Let's say $4 million. Would you keep it?
Of course not. Here, hold that.
How come?
Well, for starters, it'd be stealing.
We're talking about lost money here. Nobody's looking for it.
$4 million of lost money
Yeah.
that nobody's looking for?
Yeah.
Well, so then whose money is it?
Yours.
Oh! It's my money? But whose money was it before?
A bank robber's.
So then it's the bank's money.
All right, it's a drug dealer's.
It was... Hank. This is really silly. Obviously, you want me to say something in particular. I don't know what it is, but you want me to agree with you or say that you're right or something, but I wouldn't take it. That's just me. I wouldn't.
It's real. If we keep it, we never have to worry about money again.
But we don't have to worry about money now, Hank. You've got a good job. We don't need it.
Yeah, but nobody gets hurt by us keeping it. I mean, that's what makes it a crime, doesn't it?